Dear students, in this video, I am just going to explain the types of data structures. Here, I shown the types of data structure. Let us see one by one. First, data structure is classified into two types. First one is primitive data structure and the second one is non-primitive data structure. What is meant by primitive data structure? So in the definition part of data structure, I explained this part, that is integer, float, character and boolean. Okay, so integer will be used for the whole numbers and a float for the decimal points and a character for the single characters and a group of characters is the string. Okay, boolean means true or false. Like that we will use in primitive data structure. Next we are coming to non-primitive data structure. It is further classified into two types, that is linear and non-linear. Okay, this linear further classified into two types, that is direct access and then sequential access. Direct access has two types, that is array. Array is the representation of matrix. So array means, as you know well, we will have that row and column. Okay, so that is nothing but matrix. So direct access we will talk about array data structure. And when it comes to sequential access, what is the meaning of sequential address? Like that it will be one data will be connected to the next data, like that keep on it will be connected. So sequentially we can, if I reach the first one, I can give the connection to second one. If I reach second, then I can go to third to fourth, like that keep on it will continue. That is the sequential access. In that we will have three types, that is linked list, stack and then queue. So in the next video onwards, we will discuss each topic in detail. Next, we are coming to non-linear data structure. In that non-linear, we are having two types, that is hierarchical and unordered. Okay, in that hierarchical, we have trees, heaps and trie. Okay, and unordered means here we have graphs, sets and hash tables. In the series of data structure, we will discuss all the topics in details. I hope you understand the classification part of the data structure. Remaining we will discuss in the next video.